Alright guys, so today we're back. We're going to be replacing this Kenwood aftermarket stereo with this OEM stereo. So the reason I'm doing that is not only will it look more OEM and original and better, but this one is actually really not that well like put in. The audio's kind of messed up, so it doesn't equalize correctly, and the touchscreen sucks. So we're just going to go ahead and replace that today. So we'll get right into it. Alright, so the first step is to take off this kind of upper tray. The way you do that is this blue part right here comes out, and then there's a couple of 10s. So you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips, and then a 10mm socket on probably a small extension. So if we go ahead and just pry this. Gotta be very careful, guys. This is old plastic. So, oh wow, those don't have the bolts in them. Okay. Well, previous owner did not put back the hardware. That's cool. That just comes out. But there is two 10s right here. There's one here and one here. You're gonna have to take those out, and then we'll move it out to the bottom. Alright guys, so the next step is this little tray down here with the traction control button and the two optional heated seat buttons. That tray has to come out, and then there's two more bolts. So if you just kind of pull on it, be very gentle, like that. Comes out like that, and you can disconnect this connector. It comes all the way up. And then it's kind of hard to see under there, but right here and right there, there is two more 10s, and then this whole unit will come out with the actual AC controls as well. Alright, so we have those two bolts on the bottom out, so this whole thing should kind of come out. You're going to want to be gentle because there are a lot of wires back here. Let's see, now you can just start unplugging stuff. Yeah, I'm just going to unplug everything and we'll come back. Alright guys, so I pulled the old radio, or the new old radio out, and as you can see, the previous owner didn't use any sort of adapter or anything. He just kind of cut all the connectors, like all the wires he needed out of the connectors, and then just plugged them into like crimp fittings and then put them into the radio. So I'm gonna have to go through here and get new connectors with pigtails and kind of redo all these crimp fittings, but like between OEM connectors and the OEM harness. So I'm gonna order the parts and probably get them in like a week, and I'll see you guys back when we have those in just a second. So all right guys, I got the new connector. Here it is. It's not exactly like the old one, but all the colors are different, so I have to look at the original plug to see which one goes where. Also, this blue cable right here that was connected to the radio I ripped out is kind of fished over there. It's kind of hard to see because it's kind of dark in here, but this might work or it might not. But I'm just using butt connectors, matching up the wires, and we'll come back when it's all back together. You just kind of reverse the process to put everything back, and then you should be good. So we'll come back when it's all in. All right guys, I know it's a little dark, but as you can see, the radio's all lighting up, and then when you press on it, everything lights up and it recognizes the channel and all that stuff works. I'm not gonna play any sound just right now, but you get the gist. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe.